Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a wedding website using Wix. Let's get started. First, go to Wix's website. On the home page, click on Get Started. This will take you to the sign up page. You can create an account using your email, Google, or Facebook. For this tutorial, I'll sign up with Google. After sign up, you'll then arrive at a question about the type of website you're creating. You can select from options like an online store, portfolio, blog, or more. Since we're making a wedding website, feel free to choose the closest match or click Skip. Next, enter a name for your website. Enter a name. This name can be changed later if needed. Then you'll see a question about your website's goals. Select options that are relevant or skip again to proceed. Wix will ask about features to add to your site, like booking tools or forums. For a wedding website, these features are typically unnecessary, so you can skip this part. After this, Wix will prepare your dashboard. Once it's loaded, you're ready to start building your site. From the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click on Design Site. You'll see two options, using the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or the Wix templates. The ADI can quickly generate a site for you based on your answers to a few questions. However, for more control over your site's design, I recommend using the templates. Choose Pick a Template. You'll now see a wide variety of templates. For this tutorial, we'll select a wedding template. Use the search bar to find wedding-related themes. Once you find a template you like, click on Edit Site to open it in the Wix editor. The editor's interface is intuitive. On the left side, you'll see tools to add elements like text, images, and buttons. The main area shows your website, and hovering over different sections highlights them, indicating they can be edited. Let's start by customizing the template. To edit an image, click on it and select Change Image. You can upload your own photos or choose from Wix's media library. For example, search for couples in the library to find wedding-related images. Pick an image, crop it if necessary, and position it as desired. Once satisfied, apply the changes. Repeat this process for other images on your site. Next, let's edit the text. Click on a text box and you'll see options to change the font, size, color, and content. Replace the placeholder text with details about your wedding, such as the date, venue, and schedule. Use colors that complement your theme for better readability. To change the background color or image, click on the background and select Change Background. Choose a solid color, gradient, or image that fits your wedding theme. If you want to remove any unnecessary sections, click on the section and from the side menu, click on More Options and choose Delete. You can also add new sections by clicking Add Section and selecting a layout from the options provided. For music, many wedding templates include a Wix music player. To change the playlist, click on the player, select Manage Your Music, and upload your own songs or create a playlist. This feature is great for adding a personal touch to your site. Once you've customized the design, it's time to connect a domain. Click on Connect Domain. You can purchase a new domain through Wix or connect an existing one. Note that if you're using Wix's free plan, your site will display Wix branding. To remove this, consider upgrading to a premium plan. Before publishing, preview your site by clicking Preview in the top right corner. This lets you see how your site will look to visitors. Make sure everything is aligned, readable, and visually appealing. Don't forget to check the mobile version by switching to Mobile View in the editor. When you're happy with your site, click Publish to make it live. You can continue editing your site even after it's published, and you can also edit mobile site. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.